He reminded the world that most people are about as happy as they decide to be. Happiness is not luck. It's a choice repeated quietly every day. He believed that strength is not loud and greatness is not rushed. His words still hit hard because they were earned, not imagined. Before he became a symbol of freedom, he was a lesson in endurance. Lincoln failed in business, lost elections, and faced humiliation. Yet he never allowed defeat to define his direction. Lincoln once said that character is like a tree and reputation is like its shadow. Shadows change with light, but the tree stays rooted. Focus on who you are, not how you're seen. He believed that those who deny freedom to others deserve it least themselves. Power without morality eventually collapses. Justice delayed may bend, but it does not disappear. Lincoln warned that a house divided against itself cannot stand. Conflict inside weakens more than enemies outside. Unity is not agreement, it's shared direction. Lincoln valued preparation over chance. He believed that if given 6 hours to chop a tree, he should spend for sharpening the axe. Effort without readiness is wasted force. He taught that nearly all men can stand adversity, but testing character requires power. Hard times reveal survival. Power reveals truth. Lincoln understood that progress often demands discomfort. Those who always choose comfort rarely choose growth. Leadership means carrying weight others avoid. He believed that ballots are stronger than bullets. True change lasts when minds are convinced, not forced. Violence ends arguments, not problems. Lincoln accepted that criticism is unavoidable. If you're doing something meaningful, resistance is proof, not failure. Silence often means irrelevance. He showed that humility strengthens authority. Listening does not weaken leadership, it refines it. Lincoln believed that determination outlasts talent. Slow progress is still progress if it never stops. He taught that principles matter most when they are costly. Easy values don't shape history, sacrificial ones do. Abraham Lincoln's legacy isn't just in monuments or books. It lives in the quiet decision to stand firm, act justly, and endure longer than doubt. If this message gave you perspective, save it for the days you need strength.